Happy New Year's, career warriors. Are you feeling stuck in your current job? Are you finally ready and able to elevate your career to that next step? Are you ready to change careers just completely? Or if your resume and cover letter just not hitting or getting the hiring manager's attention nowadays? Don't fret if you have any of those issues. I have the perfect solution for you. I worked tirelessly on a new career program and a master program called Career Blueprint Mastery Course. And in this course, I have everything for you. Not only step-by-step guides on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, but no BS scripts on how you can negotiate things from salary to post-interview scripts to send to the hiring managers to help land you that dream job. So if you're ready and able to take that next step in your career, career warriors, for the next 30 days, I'm offering an additional 15% off of this course exclusively for you with the promo code LEGACY. It's only help you build your career legacy like I've built mine. So if you're ready and able to move into the new year with a new career opportunity, make sure you take advantage of this for the next 30 days on this additional discount, career warriors, because we're ready to move into 2025 with a new career and a new attitude. If you have any more questions, let me know. Peace.